Hey everybody, it's Jazz here, coming to you in week 6. Of course, it's one of the busier weeks as we have a major assignment due, and that will be assignment number 2. Before I talk briefly about assignment number 2, I will recap week 5. I've had a look at a couple of the early submissions for the Prezi files, and yeah, both of them were Jamie's ponies and very, very impressive. I one was a video clip. Thank you, Jonathan, for that one. And then I had to look at another one, which was just a presentation, but very impressive regardless. Um, I'm actually impressed how quickly some of you are getting the work done. These were done on Monday and Tuesday of last week, so pretty quick, well before the due date. So that's good to see. By the way, if you ever need any more time beyond the due date, don't hesitate to ask. I know that it's a fast-paced course, and if with the bigger assignments, especially if you need some more time, I'm more than happy to accommodate you in most cases. Yeah, so I look forward to marking the rest of those beyond the two I've looked at, the rest of those prezzies and responses, and I think it'll be interesting. It's always a creative exercise. Most people haven't used Prezi before, so hopefully you can find use for it somewhere in your lives. That's kind of the idea, to introduce you to new technology and help your communication skills a little bit as well, not just numbers, numbers, numbers. In terms of assignment number 2, there's no reflection this week, so you're going to focus on variance analysis. And the hard part about variance analysis is not that figuring out what the variance is. You take your budget and your actual and you find the difference between the two, right? At the very last column, you'll see annualized numbers, and those are the numbers that you're working with in terms of budget are three-quarters of those numbers, right? So that's 3 out of 4 quarters, right? So you don't really have to know that, but you have to just find the difference between actual and budget, 2 or 3 quarters. And then to find the percentage, you divide the difference, right? The variance you found in dollars by the budget, the three-quarter budget projection, right? And that's already worked out for you. So then you can just put the percentage in. The hard part is figuring out the F or U, favorable or unfavorable, right? You want to think about each item and carefully decide if it's favorable or unfavorable. That's very important. So, for example, revenues, you want the actual to be bigger, meaning that you've outperformed your budget. That would be favorable. And with the expenses, it's just the opposite, right? You want them to be lower than what was budgeted, that you're exceeding, you're outperforming the budget, I should say. So have some fun with that. Don't forget, there's also some qualitative analysis, and that's just doing some analysis to make sense of the numbers. So you have some questions about marketing expense and talking about some other variances. To me, that's the more important part of the exercise rather than the spreadsheet, because then it actually allows you to develop those communication skills to make sense of what's going on and so on and so forth. And as HR professional, that will likely be of more use to you. So I'll stop the video there. Remember, we have office hours, then I can share my screen and we can go into more details of the assignment too. But I think it might be helpful for you to have a look at it first. So try to have a look at it before Wednesday evening when you have office hours. But yeah, any help you need, or if you don't want to come to office hours to watch the recording, I'll be there on time, right? And I'll have the recording available for everybody very shortly. Okay. All right, that's it for now. Just a couple weeks left. Hang in there. You're all doing great.